I'm Monika here with Fearless Cooking. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. For those that haven't subscribed before, it would be great if you subscribe to my channel if you like my little show. Anyway, today we're going to do a spinach goat cheese pie. Very simple, very fast with puff pastry. So come with me, I'll show you something at the stove here. Sauteing some onions here just for some flavors, and here I have some cashew nuts that I'm going to put in here as well, and some fennel, and I've got some Szechuan Peppercorns. These are really giving this a beautiful little flavor, very aromatic. I'm just shortly going to saute this all together, and then we're going to add it in our spinach. I have here frozen spinach that I thawed out. Drain it a bit, there's quite a bit water there. I have here some parchment paper that I'm just going to make a little wet. Just take it under the sink. Squeeze it out. This is a good way you can put this inside your pie dish. It fits in there now, not going anywhere. I'm just going to double do it a little bit here, and that's it. Then we're taking our puff pastry, and we're going to roll this in here, put it on the sides. Now I want to make sure these sides are here on this side. What I'm going to do is cut it off a little bit. Take a little bit of egg wash, put that on, and then I'm just gonna do this. So the sides is gonna puff up a little bit better. And the same thing for here. Just a little bit more, and the same on this side. There we go. And we can just turn this a bit. There we are. Just make a couple of ding, ding, ding. That's it. That's all we need. Work on our filling. I'm going to put this, the walnut. Well, you can use walnuts as well. Walnuts, pine nuts. I just happen to have the cashews in the house. As you know, Fearless is always improvising. Don't get too stuck on the recipe. Just see what you have at home. It'll be much simpler and you get rid of your stuff. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt, and of course we need pepper, fresh pepper, all this. I got about 2 eggs here. We'll whip up, put that in here, shut up. That sort of binds the whole thing. Then I'm going to put in fresh mint and parsley, Italian parsley here. I have here Gran Padano Parmesan cheese. And again, you don't have to use the same cheese. Do not use mozzarella, it's gonna get very, very sticky and you don't want that. But any kind of nice sauce like pecorino is wonderful to have. And now I'm gonna put in some goat cheese, get that mixed. And I'm going in with some cream. I have here coconut cream. You can use any kind of cream you like. Just bind it all. And now we're gonna mix this. That's pretty well it. I'm gonna put this mixture in here. Get that goat cheese in there. Of course, you can use ricotta cheese if you like. I just happen to have goat cheese in the house. Beautiful mixture. If you were to use fresh spinach, that's not a problem either. So, but you need quite a lot of spinach. That's one of the reasons why I like using frozen ones. Okay, now we're gonna just put this in here. This whole mixture. Beautiful flavors in there. And now I'm gonna top it off with some bits and pieces of goat cheese. And that whole thing goes in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your size, at about 350 degrees. Halfway in between, it'd be a good idea to turn it around. Here we go. How easy was this? Into the oven, and then we're ready to eat it. Oh my God, I forgot my hat. Yes, that's me. Fearless Cooking. Anyway, our pie should be ready to take out. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh my God, look at this. It'll be about 40 minutes. But right now, we're gonna have to let it sit for at least half an hour. But look how gorgeous this is. It's just perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. So look at this, it's cooled down for about 30 minutes. Look at this beautiful pie. Just amazing. So we're just gonna cut it in half. You can cut it smaller, you can cut it bigger, anything you want. It's your pie, you can do it. Remember, Fearless. Look at this, beautiful. Baked at the bottom. The paper really helps. And this could be a meal, this could be a snack, this could be anything. Anything you want it to be. It's your pie. Remember that, you're a fearless cook. Thank you very much. Remember to be fearless in your kitchen, always.